Today, we're diving into a lighter version of tacos de papa topped with a creamy avocado salsa, perfect for a comforting weeknight dinner. I'm going to show you how to enjoy this traditional dish while making some diabetes-friendly swaps. First, we're swapping out butter for Greek yogurt in our mashed potatoes. Not only does this add a boost of protein, but it also makes the filling rich and creamy without the extra saturated fats. Instead of deep frying, we're opting for an air fryer. A light brush of avocado oil will get our tacos nice and crispy minus the excess oil. And of course, we're mixing in some queso Oaxaca for that added cheesy, creamy flavor. Now, let's talk about why avocados are such a fantastic addition to this meal. Just 1/3 of a medium avocado is a good source of fiber, which helps slow down sugar absorption into the bloodstream, crucial for managing blood glucose levels. Fiber also helps slow down food digestion, preventing those rapid rises in blood glucose after meals. Avocados are not only a good source of dietary fiber, but they also contain heart-healthy fats, which are especially important for those with diabetes. For our avocado salsa, we're blending roasted tomatillos, serrano, and garlic with avocados until we get a creamy, flavorful topping. This salsa is naturally sugar-free, making it a great choice for anyone looking to limit added sugars in their diet. So whether you're managing diabetes or just looking for a comforting dinner, these tacos de papa with avocado salsa are a good way to enjoy your favorite Latin flavors. Remember, you can eat your way to better health with simple, tasty swaps like these. Elevate your meals and your fiber intake with my favorite fruit, the avocado.